Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmodz. My name is Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix this check fuel cap warning. And what this basically means is that you need to go ahead and check literally the fuel cap. And the reason why you're getting this warning is because the fuel cap is not on tight or it has become loose. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix this real quick. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and turn off the vehicle. Next, go ahead and remove your gas cap. And verify that your seal in here and also the mating area right here, there's no foreign objects, and maybe even make sure that this tether wire is not stuck in between in here where it's pinched inside. And go ahead and tighten this down. And once it's tightened like this, you want to make sure you continue to turn it until you hear at least 3 clicks. And turn your vehicle back on, and you will still see the warning on your dash. However, you just have to drive it around a little bit and then you'll see that it will disappear. All right, there you go. As you can see, the warning is no longer there. All I did was go ahead and tighten the gas cap. Now let's pretend that there's nothing wrong with the fuel cap. Everything is tight, the seals are good, or even you replace the fuel cap with a brand new one and you still get the check fuel cap light on your dash. Now the last thing to check is your EVAP canister line, which is located right here. There's going to be bottom one connects the canister to the throttle body, so you want to remove that completely. There's just 2 hose clamps that holds it down, and you want to get compressed air and blow compressed air through that line to get rid of any foreign objects. And then connect that back and then check if the check engine light goes off. If that doesn't fix it, then you need to go ahead and disconnect the top one as well and put compressor air through that line as well. Again, this is very rare instance that this is going to be the cause of the problem. 9 out of 10 times it's just a loose gas cap, and that will fix it. All you need to do is just tighten it down, and that's it. All right, hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.